India is no place for women.
We cannot tolerate this kind of incidents of crime.
Just look at the life cycle of a woman in India. The female feticide numbers India has ranks amongst the highest in the world.
Problem is, does the political class of our country care?
The political class had to take action. We decided to strike at the roots, the Indian general elections.
Politicians have forgotten the 49% of the voter base that is female.
We launched the Power of 49 with the ambition of getting 100 million women of India to cast an informed vote. But how? For the campaign to be successful, we had to target two classes of women voters. Research showed us that Indian television had a major role in shaping society. Indian women consider real-life women protagonists on TV as their alter egos and emulate them. We brought together the largest television networks of India on one platform to mobilize this cause. We identified TV soap stars as key influencers for the women of Bharat and news anchors and social commentators as influencers of women of India.
Women are 49% of the voting population in this country with the power to make or break the government. The power of 49. When women vote, women win.
Using the power of television, we integrated empowerment stories into India's most popular soaps.
मुझे मिस्ड कॉल दीजिए,
अपने मुद्दे बताइए,
उन पर उम्मीदवार चर्चा करें
ताकि आप सही उम्मीदवार को पावर में ला सकें।
This inspired women to table their issues.
मेरा मुद्दा है कानून। मैं ये चाहती हूँ रिजर्वेशन खत्म होना चाहिए।
And drove a critical political debate in news with women issues experts. The campaign also received unprecedented support from high-profile Bollywood stars. We brought 1.2 million real women together to build the world's first ever crowdsourced political manifesto.
Given by you, the Indian woman, we now have a women's manifesto which we are presenting to political parties across the country.
We presented this manifesto to some of India's most influential politicians. But we didn't stop there. We gave the women one final push to make their journey up till the ballot box.
Every woman needs to go out and vote. If you don't vote, you don't have the right to complain.
So for all the women out there, empower yourself, go there and vote.
सिर्फ बहू नहीं, बहुमत बनिए.
The results were staggering.
मीडिया कैंपेन पावर ऑफ 49 के तहत 49% हिस्सा किनका है? सी महिला या डी पुरुष?